Powdered sugar draws ants to a baking soda mixture by acting as an irresistible food bait they will collect and carry back to the colony. When mixed with baking soda, powdered sugar provides an energy source that lures foraging ants to the bait station because the fine texture mimics natural carbohydrate sources. The ants do not distinguish the baking soda from edible particles when it is finely powdered and combined with sugar, so they ingest both components while feeding. Inside the ant gut, sodium bicarbonate reacts with acidic digestive fluids to produce carbon dioxide gas and disrupt normal digestion, which leads to internal distress and eventual death for individuals that consume a lethal dose. To prepare an effective bait, use equal parts powdered sugar and baking soda and keep the mixture dry so it remains attractive and easy for ants to carry. Place small amounts on index cards, bottle caps, or shallow containers near ant trails, and replace the bait every few days if it becomes damp or contaminated. For homes with pets or children, position baits out of reach and monitor frequently to avoid accidental ingestion. Common mistakes include using granulated sugar instead of powdered sugar, which ants can still eat but will not adhere as well to baking soda, so fewer particles are carried back. Fix this by sifting powdered sugar into the soda to ensure an even, clingy blend. Another issue is placing too much bait at once, so workers become full on sugar and do not collect enough baking soda to affect the colony. Use small, spaced portions near active trails so foragers repeatedly contact the mixture and transport it. A third concern is moisture dissolving the bait and reducing effectiveness. Keep the mixture in dry spots, replace wet bait promptly, and avoid outdoor placement during rain. On bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide a discussion community where people share experiences and ask practical questions about treatments like sugar and soda baits. We make it easier for homeowners to find contractors and for contractors to find work while participating in our community conversations.